Rowdies looking to make it 6 in a row tonight, but that's going to be no easy task. Sac Republic comes in with one of the top players in the league. First shot, and it's a laser. Stanley again, Anthony really getting after it, and there's a shot. There's White, attacks again. Dennis was open momentarily. Guard once again racing. Lays it for Williams. Another player going down, and here's Cicerone. Russell Cicerone delivers a beauty, and we are equal at 1. As the rain comes down, so do the goals here at LA.
It's always nice to play against the top teams in the league, and we knew they were going to come out here and try and get a result, and we knew that we wanted to get the result.
Guard, this is a beauty. Cantley with some space. Rowdies trying to get a shot on right in front of the goal. Here it comes. Oh, it just was screaming towards the goal. Jennings gets it over to Williams. And they're going to call an offside, or are they going to get a shove here on JJ? And a card for JJ Williams, a red card delivered to Connor Antley as well.
It's hard when you go 2 men down and just kind of sit back a little bit and see the game out. I think we did that well. I mean, at the end of the day, we go home with 1 point, which is not what we wanted, but it's not worst case, so we just keep building.